Welcome. In today's tutorial, you'll learn how to disable notifications for groups on the Telegram app for PC. If you're getting too many alerts from group chats and need some peace and quiet, this quick guide will show you exactly how to turn them off with the new Telegram update. First, open the Telegram app on your computer. Once the app opens, look at the top left corner of the screen. You'll see 3 horizontal lines, also known as the menu icon. Click on that menu to open the side panel. From here, scroll down and select Settings. This is where you can manage everything related to your Telegram account, including privacy options, performance, and notifications. Once inside Settings, click on Notifications and Sounds. This section allows you to fully customize how and when Telegram alerts you. Next, select the Groups option. This is the part dedicated to all your group chat notifications. By default, Telegram keeps notifications enabled so you don't miss any messages, but that can get overwhelming if you're part of multiple active groups. Now, to disable them, simply toggle off the notification switch. When you turn off this setting, Telegram will stop sending you pop-up alerts or sound notifications for group messages. You'll still see new messages when you open the app, but you won't be disturbed every time someone sends a message in a group. That's it, you've successfully disabled group notifications in the latest Telegram update. It's a simple change, but it makes a huge difference when you want to focus on work, study, or just enjoy some uninterrupted time.